Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. My second and final St. Patrick's Day design is on a cup I think has a very powerful message. I saw this burst tumbler template and I knew I wanted to put it on a cup. It is Shamrock's, but also it has a semicolon for suicide awareness and a decal that says "Still I Rise." So if you're ready to see this one come together, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. Here I have my cat scratch double-sided sticky tape. The burst template is already cut and I have it on just white Orcal 651 vinyl. I do that so it's very easy to transfer it over to the tumbler. I just showed off a black, it's like black gold. I got it from Michael's. It's a mica powder. And the reason I'm doing this is because this template has a decent amount of like very small and intricate pieces. So I put like a little finger glove on just my pointer finger and I'm just dabbing and rubbing very, very lightly over the entire template just to get a little of that black powder onto all of the cuts, the cuts that the Cricut put into this template. This will allow me to see what I'm peeling off instead of having to like, you know, hurt my eyes trying to figure out what I'm looking at. This is a kind of different version of, on a different template, I had alcohol ink all over the template. This is kind of the same concept. I decided to time lapse the glitter process because it does take an hour, and you guys have seen me glitter burst templates before. So the outline that I'm pulling off now is going to be glittered with carbon from the glitter grind. The background is dark green, and that is Spanish moss from Mr. Nola's Glitter. The shamrocks are Sucre Junior from Mr. Nola's Glitter. The gold is Saints and Sinners from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And then the flower portion is going to be Bottomless Mimosa from Mr. Nola's Glitter. I also did not record the application of the burst template to the tumbler because you guys have seen that before. So this is after 2 coats of epoxy. And I'm going to add a decal that took me absolutely freaking forever to create in Design Space. But it is a very, very small, just plain white kind of script font that says "Still I Rise." Basically, to create this, I had the burst template in my Design Space and I like hand placed each individual letter in the curvature of the semicolon where I wanted the decal to go, and then I like welded all of the letters together and was able to cut just this teeny tiny little decal that I think packs a powerful message. I did just a single coat of epoxy to finish this off over the decal, and then this cup was done. I know this was a short tutorial because it's kind of redundant. I've done burst templates before, so I just thought this was a beautiful cup and wanted to share it with you guys. I'll see you all next time, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye now.